Okay, I want to do a little video showing what my Chromebook Plus look like. Um, so it is, as you can see, it is white, and it also has backlit keys. Don't know if you can change the colors. I was curious about it. I think you can change the intensity of them, but I don't think you can change the color, which would have been really cool to be able to do that. I don't even know if I can do that on my Windows laptop, but anyway, here is the back of it, and Asus, as you can see, it's, it's actually nice weight, not too heavy. I mean, I think it's just about perfect actually. Um, so yeah, I got my Chromebook Plus, and I really wanted to have a device that I can um, game on, play some decent games without the struggle that my other Chromebooks went through. I mean, I could play games on my other Chromebooks, but the problem was when I was trying to do like gameplay videos, um, there would be like a lot of slowdown. This thing, it's got vents too. None of my other Chromebooks have vents for, fans, I meant to say. Like it blows out a lot of hot air. So my other Chromebooks that I have do not have any kind of um, vents or fans. So this is also interesting. So um, I don't really know what it's doing that it requires that much power, but uh, I do know that there's supposed to be some AI stuff going on in here. I know that this is an 8 gig. Let's see what else. 8 gigs, and it's supposed to. Um, I guess there's supposed to be like some other features, some more features that are really good for like video editing and stuff. So I want to get into that. The instructions that they give you, they don't really they don't really tell you a lot. It was very bare bare bones. Got a little warranty and all that. So it's nice though. I mean, the color white. I did order a case. It should be coming from Amazon tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's today, because I just don't want to get this surface, anything that's white like this. But it's more of a like a off white kind of kind of hue, I guess. But the camera's nice. The screen is supposed to be nice, and I know the video that it records is like 1080. It's not 4K, but I mean, doesn't really have to be. There's also dynamic backgrounds, so that's nice. That's a really cool feature. So I will be doing my videos from now on when I do my Nerds with Badges episodes. I guess I'll just use this instead of my iPad on the tripod, although I might still do that from time to time because the camera on my iPad mini is way better, uh, because the camera on my phone is actually pretty good, surprisingly. This Motorola phone that I have from AT&T. So that's gonna do it for my little video. But yeah, it's a nice machine. It's definitely, I feel good about the purchase. So we'll see how it does.